Question 10. At a university, 65% of students are undergraduates, 35% of students are postgraduates, so they've qualified, they've left. Andrew and Karen want to do a survey. Andrew decides to use a simple random sampling to collect a sample of 200 students. He uses the university database as a sample frame and he numbers each student on the database. He then generates exactly 200 random numbers and uses these random numbers to select our sample. Give 2 reasons why Andrew's method may not produce a sample of 200 students. So we need 2 reasons here. The first could be that when you take or you generate numbers from a spreadsheet or whatever it may be, some numbers might repeat. So if I generate 200 numbers, there could be numbers in there that repeat, so maybe I'm only getting actually 150 unique numbers. We don't want to interview the same person twice, so that's why we may not get the full 200 students. So some numbers might repeat. The second one is he or she is picking from undergraduates and postgraduates. So postgraduates may be chosen. These have already left college. So if they're gone from college already, they're not much good to us. They're on the database, but they're not someone that we want to survey because they're gone already and they can't be part of our 200. So that's simply it. Karen decides to use a quota sampling to collect a sample of 200 students. She plans to stand outside the main building until she has interviewed 130 undergraduates and 70 postgraduates. Give 2 advantages of using this quota sampling. So one advantage would be it is very easy to do. So you're literally just out there and asking people the questions. There's nothing complicated about it. It may be a little bit time consuming, but it is easy to do. And we need one more point on that, so we could say it is cheap to do. So there's no fancy software or anything like that. You're not hiring people to do it. She's doing it herself. Just stood out outside the campus, gathering names and questioning people. C. Explain why this quota sample is not a random sample. There's only 1 mark for this, so we only need 1 point. It's not random because Karen is choosing the students. So you could end up with a little bit of bias in that actually. I don't know, maybe Karen just interviews tall people, maybe she just interviews attractive people, maybe she just interviews people of a certain colour, etc. But she has a choice over the students that she is sampling, so it isn't random. She is making a choice on it.